So today's recipe we are making for the BUFF Vada. So BUFF Vada recipe it will be given for the, it's in the diet free options. So this is a BUFF Vada recipe it will be given. For the ingredients here we are taken. For the ingredients here I taken boiled potato, grated the coconut, so crushed peanut. This is for the curry leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli, and this is for the grated ginger and a salt to taste on this one. In the bowl, first we can mix all the ingredients. So first we can do for the snatch the potato and we can mix for the all the ingredients on this. So just you can snatch the potatoes here. See now it will be mixed well for all ingredients on this one. So here for the diet fry option we are not using for the single drop of oil. So instead of the oil content we are using for the grated coconut and peanuts. So this is we can make a shapes on this. So according to your style you can make a shape of this. The BUFF Vada is ready now. Okay, so for here we are going for the setting. So here we can select for the diet fry options, so that it will be comes to the number 122. Okay, so now we'll keep inside, close the door and start. So it's take for the 10 minutes time. Once it will be comes to the beep, it will become for the in between 2 times of the beep it will become. Once the beep will become, we'll take it out, turn it and keep it back. Again it will be comes to the beep. Again once you can take it out, turn it and keep it back again. It have a last 10 seconds time will be there. Now the BUFF Vada is ready. In the diet fry options, it comes to the BUFF Vada. Just you can have a look. So here it will becomes with the brown and crunchy. So this it will become for the both the side the browning efficiency will become. So for this one we are using for the without using for 1 drop oil. Okay, thank you.